nice to see you again. And I'm your teacher Lisa. Now we will have a new topic. But before that, I want to show you a picture. Actually, two pictures. Alright? Then let me know what do you see. Or describe what do you see on the picture. Okay?
Dog, big dog.
Okay, a big dog. What about this one?
Small dog.
Small dog. Very good. Okay, can you tell something about this picture?
Mommy, dog.
Okay, what kind of dog is this one?
Shih Tzu.
Alright, and what about the other picture?
Baby dog.
Mm-hmm.
Baby Shih Tzu.
Alright, and that will be our topic for today. A mom and its baby. Alright, so a mommy dog and a baby dog. What do you call the baby dog?
Puppy.
Puppy! Very good! Here are some pictures of the mom animals and their babies. Okay, so I will show you what their babies are called. Alright. Okay, here's the cat. And the baby is called kitten. Sheep, lamb. Sheep,
Sheep.
lamb.
Lamb.
Okay. Elephant, calf. Again, elephant,
Elephant.
calf.
Calf.
Alright. Kangaroo, Joey. Kangaroo,
Kangaroo.
Joey.
Joey.
Alright. Fish, fry. Fish,
Fish.
fry.
Fry.
Okay. Rabbit, kit or kitten. Again, rabbit,
Rabbit.
kit or kitten.
Kit or kitten.
Okay, but the one that we usually know, the bunny, it's for the informal language. Okay? But in formal language, we use kit or kitten, just like the cat. Let's do a recap of our discussion. I'll show you a picture of animals. Okay? So there will be the mom and their babies. Then you have to tell me what their babies are called. Okay?
Okay.
Now, cat,
Kitten.
owl,
Owlet.
hen,
Chick.
duck.
Duckling.
Very good. What about this one? Elephant.
Calf.
Fish.
Fry.
Very good. Kangaroo.
Joey.
Okay. Goat.
Kid.
Cow.
Calf.
Rabbit.
Kitten.
Alright, last two. Bear.
Cub.
Sheep.
Lamb.
Very good. Alright, I hope that you learned something from today's topic.
Animals and their young ones. Animals and their young ones.
สัตว์และลูกของมัน สัตว์และลูกของมัน
Mommy hen. Mommy hen.
แม่ไก่ แม่ไก่
Baby chick. Baby chick.
ลูกเจี๊ยบ ลูกเจี๊ยบ
Mommy cat. Mommy cat.
แม่แมว แม่แมว
Baby kitten. baby kitten,
ลูกแมวน้อย ลูกแมวน้อย
mommy dog, mommy dog,
แม่หมา แม่หมา
baby puppy, baby puppy,
ลูกสุนัข ลูกสุนัข
mommy kangaroo, mommy kangaroo,
แม่จิงโจ้ แม่จิงโจ้
baby Joey, baby Joey,
โจอี้ที่รัก โจอี้ที่รัก